Hi everyone, we have finally come to the very last example, still on method 4, which is the use of angle in alternate segment. Read the question carefully and put whatever useful information is given on your diagram. Pause the video for 1 minute and do that now. Assuming you are done, I'm going to do mine. Since TP and TQ are tangents to the circle at P and Q respectively, alright, based on angle in alternate segment, TQP walk along the same line, skip the first one, the second one, these two angles are going to be equal. Similarly, for tangent TP, the angle subtended over here by the tangent as well as the circle inscribed inside, walk along the same line, skip the next one, you notice all these three are going to be equal. Alright, so let me denote that to be X. Okay, so let me get started. PQT is equal to angle QPT, and this in turn is also equal to angle PRQ. All these are going to be equal, and what concept do we make use of? Angle in alternate segment. Guess what? The most useful thing down here is you can notice that angle PXT is going to be X as well. Reason being there's a pair of parallel lines and the use of corresponding angle. Therefore, angle PXT is going to be equal to angle PRQ, and this in turn is going to be X based on corresponding angle. Since all they are angle X, therefore please conclude that angle PXT is equal to angle PQT. And there we are, done for the first part. Okay, coming to part 2, notice a circle can be drawn through the 4 points over here. So I'm going to draw a circle passing through the 4 points. And once the circle is being drawn, notice on the 4 points, you can see the shape of a butterfly. Okay, notice the feature of a butterfly means that we can actually make use of angle in the same segment. Alright, a very clear cut. If those 3 angles in green are X, this angle here is going to be X as well because QXT is equal to angle QPT. And we are more or less done. Let me pen that down now. Angle, in part 2, angle QXT is equal to angle QPT, which is equal to X, based on part 1. And what is the reason? Angle in same segment because of the butterfly. And since angle QXT is equal to X, we have already defined in part 1 that PXT is also equal X. And we are done. Thank you.